Introducing the new Pan America 1250 Limited model, Harley-Davidson's ultimate adventure touring motorcycle. Designed for those who crave the thrill of the open road and the excitement of off-pavement exploration. The Pan America 1250 Limited is expedition ready. The long list of factory-installed accessories make this motorcycle an exceptional value. It's built to conquer any road, paved or unpaved, with confidence. At the heart of the Pan America 1250 Limited is the Revolution Max 1250 powertrain, a liquid-cooled 1250cc V-twin engine. It offers flexible, engaging performance with a broad power band that builds to a rush of high RPM power. This engine is integrated into the chassis to minimize overall motorcycle weight, providing a nimble and responsive ride. One of the standout features is the adaptive ride height system, which is standard on this model. This innovative technology automatically transitions the motorcycle between optimal ride height to a low position at stops. It allows riders to easily mount the bike and confidently put their feet down at a stop, enhancing both comfort and control. The semi-active front and rear suspension uses data from sensors to automatically adjust damping to suit the riding conditions. With pre-programmed suspension profiles, the Pan America 1250 Limited offers a smooth and comfortable ride no matter the terrain. The tubeless laced wheels feature stainless steel spokes mounted outside the bead of an aluminum rim, allowing for the use of tubeless tires. This design offers durability to allow riders to tackle more challenging terrain. It also enables the use of the Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. It makes the wheels repairable in the field, perfect for off-pavement adventures. And with their rugged yet modern look, these wheels add a distinctive style that perfectly complements the Pan America 1250 Limited's bold, adventure-ready aesthetic. Rider confidence is paramount with the Pan America 1250 Limited. Rider Safety Enhancements include cornering electronically linked brakes, cornering ABS, cornering traction control, and more. These technologies enhance rider control during unexpected situations and adverse road conditions. The Pan America 1250 Limited offers 9 selectable ride modes, allowing you to tailor the bike's performance to your environment and preferences. Switch easily between road, sport, rain, off-road, and customizable modes to optimize power delivery, throttle response, engine braking, rider safety enhancements, and suspension for any riding condition. Whether you're carving through twisty roads, tackling rugged terrain, or loaded up for an epic trip, these ride modes give you ultimate control and confidence wherever your journey takes you. The 6.8-inch color TFT touchscreen display supports infotainment generated by your Bluetooth-equipped mobile device. With navigation provided by the Harley-Davidson app, you can stay connected and en route, whether you're on a long journey or a quick ride. Another thoughtful addition is the folding and adjustable shift lever. This feature allows riders to customize the position of the shift lever to suit their boot size or riding preference, making gear changes more comfortable and precise whether you're riding seated, standing, or tackling challenging terrain. It's a small touch that makes a big difference for long-distance touring and off-road adventure. Offered in 3 paint options, the Pan America 1250 Limited is packed with additional features, including the Daymaker Signature Adaptive Headlamp for enhanced visibility, heated hand grips for all-weather comfort, and rugged aluminum luggage designed for adventure travel. Every detail is crafted to elevate your riding experience. Experience the thrill of adventure with the new Pan America 1250 Limited model. It's more than a motorcycle, it's your ticket to explore the world with confidence and style. Visit your nearest Harley-Davidson dealer to learn more and take a test ride today.